Most of us would rather eat a slice of fresh, juicy fruit than stir a spoonful of base dust into a glass of water. Yet here we are in the golden age of powdered everything. We see these sleek packages promising that a single scoop of dehydrated fruit can fix our digestion, clear our skin, and boost our immune systems overnight. It sounds like a dream, but the reality of products like Purelia Papaya Powder is often far more grounded in marketing than in actual science. Papaya itself is undeniably a powerhouse. It is packed with vitamins and those famous enzymes like papain that help break down proteins in your stomach. If you eat a ripe papaya, you are getting the fiber, the water, and the raw nutritional punch. When that fruit is processed, dried, and ground into a fine powder, something gets lost in translation. We have to ask ourselves how much of that enzyme activity actually survives the journey from the tropical farm to the plastic tub on your kitchen counter. Most companies will point to general research about how great papaya is for your gut. They won't tell you that those studies were done on the whole fruit or high-grade extracts. They certainly were not done on the specific powder they are selling to you for a high price. This is a classic bait and switch in the supplement world. They use the reputation of a healthy food to sell a degraded version of it. There is also a massive lack of transparency when it comes to what is actually inside that container. Many of these supplements do not even list the specific amount of active nutrients you are getting per serving. You might be paying a premium for what is essentially a very expensive, fruit-flavored filler. Then there is the actual experience of using it. Let's be honest about the texture. These unflavored fruit powders are often gritty and chalky. They sink to the bottom of your glass or leave a weird film in your mouth. They can turn your morning smoothie into something that feels like drinking wet sand. If a supplement is a chore to consume, it is going to sit in the back of your pantry until it expires. That is not an investment in your health. That is just wasting money on a shelf ornament. People talk about convenience, but is it really more convenient than grabbing a piece of fruit? A fresh papaya might cost you a few bucks at the grocery store. It tastes better. It provides more fiber. It feels like actual food. The testimonials you see online for these powders are often filled with dramatic stories of miraculous recoveries. You should always be wary of a product that relies more on anecdotes than on hard evidence. Without third-party testing or clear certification, you are just trusting a brand's marketing department to tell you the truth. These powders are generally safe for most people, but they are not a magic bullet. They are not a scam in the sense that they are dangerous, but the value is highly questionable. If you are looking for a shortcut to perfect health, this isn't it. You are better off prioritizing real, whole foods that you can actually see and taste. Don't let the hype distract you from the fact that nature already packaged these nutrients perfectly the first time. Focus on consistent habits instead of the latest trend in a jar. It is better to spend your hard-earned cash on something that is proven to work. True wellness doesn't come from a scoop of dust. It comes from a balanced lifestyle. Safety is usually not a huge concern here because dried fruit isn't inherently dangerous. However, if you have allergies or specific medical conditions, you really need to be careful. Always talk to a doctor before you start dumping random powders into your drinks. At the end of the day, this product isn't necessarily a scam. It just isn't the miracle it claims to be. It is a convenience product for people with busy lives who can't get to a grocery store. But for everyone else, the fresh version is the clear winner. There is no replacement for real nutrition. Keep your standards high and your diet real.